gosh, that looks better, isn't it? That rug. Can go off.
And then that's the
sorry,
filled in. I was just saying that's the number.
Okay,
that
guys,
call
welcome back to Safeclean-Walkingtv. All about cleaning.
What do we have today? We have this sofa, quite soiled. Little footstool.
Technician has a sofa and a rug.
A large.
A very expensive rug by the rug company.
Stained. And then we have this large, beautiful rug with some pet stains.
I believe he has to stain guard the sofa also.
Let's see what we can do, but I'm not too sure.
So here he is. Started off cleaning the armchair. And the footstool. And then straight on into the three-seater. These items were fairly soiled due to the overusage throughout the pandemic. As you can see, he's got them looking all nice and spruced up. Looking as good as when they was purchased out of the store. As you can see, he's meticulously cleaning each section as not to go over and over. Here he is, stain guarding the suite. This is the first application, one of two. Stain guarding the footstool. And there he's put a towel down to put his chemicals on top of, as not to stain client's furniture. How thoughtful is that? And now he's on to the larger sofa and stain guarding this. Doing the bottom edges. This is one application of two. And now we're into the house. So he's sprayed down his chemical, left it to dwell, and now he's using his CRB machine to brush the chemicals into the fibers and lift any excess dirt. And now we're on to the final rinse. There he's using his brandy broom to just set the fibres of the carpet in one direction. And for the final stages of the stains on the edges, it's just using that rather than the CRB machine to just get at those stains on the edges. And for the last of the extraction process.
Thank you.
So there the customer came in and saw the rug and said it looks like brand new. And there it's finally grooming back the rug, taking out the one marks. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment.
If nobody's going to be in there, just leave that door open. So all of that breeze coming in is going to dry it off a lot quicker.
Here the technician is just telling now the easiest way to dry it.
A little bit longer.
And there we have it. Another clean by Safeclean-Walkingtv.
Yeah, that's your half. I'll keep this half. That there. So it's got my contact number on it. It should have
there is upholstered
the number that
insurance
you
policy.
claim, which is down here.
That
and you need to make a claim.
any stains come onto that sofa, just call us and we'll come out and remove them free of charge. And that's 5 years for your sofa and 3 years for your carpets.
Yeah, oh perfect.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that looks better, isn't it? That
And there,
rug.
oh, I bet that made him feel good.
And that's the
Oh,
thing
sorry,
filled in. I was just saying that's the number that you call when you need to make a claim.
Yeah.
As I said, it didn't work, so I just said that.
So again guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe,
For a time. Just do it
share,
twice a
comment
year. If you
and
can't do it
likes
the third
are
time,
all welcome.
just call me direct.
Okay.
I'll come and just do it for you.
Thank you very much.
All right? No problem. All right then. Thank you. Bye bye
Now
now.
off to the next one. Thanks for watching.